Black one. Not like. Which one I will take?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your baby girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Guys, I visited one of the biggest markets in Abuja, and this is Caro markets. This market is located in the suburb of Abuja and is at Caro local government, as if you are going to Nasarawa state. And this market has a boundary between Maraba and Nyanya. And this market serves a lot of people, and there is nothing that you cannot find in this market. If you are looking for your food stuff, you find it in this market. If you are looking for party items, you find it in this market. If you are looking for household items, you are going to find it in this particular market.
I don't know. Can taste.
The few days I was in Abuja, guys, I decided to go to the market and pick some few items.
One how much? 100. Give me one like this. Where the others? Others they go. Bring another one. Give me another one. Okay, my again man. The 2,500. You want that seed? Give me one now. And the pepper soup spice.
How much the pepper?
One don't think. My friend, come here. How much is the garlic? Ginger?
Ginger. 200, 500, 1,000.
Now, almost the same thing now, no difference. Give me now. Then ginger 1,000.
Yeah.
That one how much?
200.
Why is small like this? That your okra small, you know, the one who buy yesterday even big pass some.
No,
because you do something.
Checking from my location, I thought that things would be either cheaper here in Abuja because most of the items comes from the north. But there's no difference. You can see the pepper, the tomato, the okra, they are almost the same price as I buy in this my Delta state, guys. Unfortunately, this same market few months ago got burnt. There was a fire outbreak in this market that ravaged some parts of the market, and the sellers are still complaining because some of them are still hanging out in the sun. They don't have any shop, and some of them, they don't have money to start up anything again. I spoke to one of the women and she complained how they have been managing to meet up in this particular market.
I don't know, say
Touch them.
how? How you sell? When they do a kilo lap by lap. How much be a kilo for this one?
Kilo, this one 7.5. 7,000.
Okay, for cow head.
You know, say that the season be that. We see.
Shehu. No, they go back tomorrow, but let's pray, let things be okay.
Before I started to worry, when I was living in Abuja, this is where I normally buy my meat, my goat meat, my beef. I get them from Shehu in Abuja.
So no be laugh, they are neck now.
Well, the price is not affordable again, unlike before. That we used to buy a kilo of beef for 2,000 naira here, and you can get a cow head. I'm telling you, cow head for 20,000 naira, even 15,000 naira, 55,000 naira.
Okay, this one I laugh.
And I know that they are very, very expensive. I forgot to ask Shehu how much for one cow head. Honestly, they are very, very expensive, right? So you can see how the prices are right now. So I decided to go and get at least one chicken. Price of chicken that I got in this market was like 7,000, 8,000, 15,000 naira for the highest price. But I got mine for like 7,000 naira here from the seller. And they had to clean it for me. I paid 200 naira for chicken. We used to buy like 3,500 those days. The highest one, all those big sizes they used to sell 25,000 naira at that time. Presently, we used to buy like 5,000 naira. If you are buying a big chicken, you are holding like 6,000 to 7,000 naira. But right now, the smallest sizes of chicken is sold for 7,000, 6,000, 8,000 naira, and the big ones are going for like 15,000, 20,000 naira in this particular Caro market here, guys.
No, one. I mean, this be another one.
I just cover.
Not be this one. Put the kidney and the intestine. Kidney and liver.
That one did my show. I don't like that one.
Which one are you taking?
Take that one.
200, buy a big money. Which charge? Oh, 500. That book will be too much. Yeah, okay, 500. I pass from I don't want it. I want it back. Papaya. I see this nice. I give you 2,000 now.
How much you got not?
I don't know.
Got what would you 2,000?
This one now the same price.
That's a question. I took boss, but Mami, é que eu me puluta por aqui na outra sabuca só ia má. Quando tá na zona azul, o ne ba conte ne ba.
Mano, no. Get the away for this one. This one how much? No. And they find one for 7 people, I don't know. Now you get big fish. Okay. This one be how many? One now. A man do you have a woman? Nah. No, no, man. How much? Come on, the other. Leave the one with the price. This one's even big past this one. I said those ones big past this one. With the back. Why they do? We don't mind us. Wait. I want see the size what the price for them. Not get that size. Sorry. Yeah? This one how much? This one 9.5. 9.5. No, Baba. Nah, man.
This one woman. This one woman. Mama Karu.
Carry on up, make I see. You don't do. Look about the gills, so just the sheets or whatever. Fine. You get napa fish. Fish ingredients. You know, Abby? Yellow, all those such yellow and green. I chomp down. You want chicken glory? You don't catch me this time. Oh, yeah, along. Emma, you don't catch me. Me, I know you. Yes.
na the chair they talk.
Put it here.
Welcome back.
Well done. You get napa fish?
Eh?
Napa fish size.
Fish on the back.
Which money?